All right, let's walk through giving your Windows 10 or 11 PC a much-needed fresh start.
A factory reset can fix all that, even stubborn malware. So let's dive right in. Now the path's a little different for Windows 11 and 10, but both are super simple.
Once you're on the recovery page, you're gonna look for the Reset This PC option.
This kicks off the recovery tool, which will guide you through the whole thing.
Okay, this is your first big decision, what to do with your personal data. Let's break it down.
Basically, keep my files is a refresh. Remove everything is a true factory reset.
This one's great for fixing issues without actually losing your personal docs and pictures. A cloud download gets fresh files from Microsoft, while a local reinstall is a bit quicker.
You'll see a list of apps that'll be removed, so you'll need to reinstall them later.
Now your computer's gonna restart and get to work, all while keeping your files safe.
All right, let's check out the Remove Everything option. This is for a totally clean slate. And again, you have the same choice here, fresh files from the cloud or a local reinstall. But this time, you get an extra option called Change Settings. Let's see what that does. Data erasure is ideal if you're selling your PC. Just use these options with caution.
This is your final chance to review everything before you kick off the reset. No turning back. When you're ready, hit that reset button, and your PC will begin the full wipe.
Your PC is now fresh, but let's make sure it's 100% ready to use. Running through this checklist ensures your system is secure, stable, and has everything you need.
This part is critical. It gets you all the latest security patches and important drivers. If you see anything funny in here, just hop over to your PC maker's website for drivers. And there you have it. You now know how to tackle major issues and boost your PC's performance.
A fresh start can honestly make an old computer feel like it's brand new again.